So it's a Toyota day today.
Here we go.
What's up guys, welcome back to Daily Driven SA. Me again, and this time the OG is in the building like always. Yes. So today we are pretty excited because we are shooting a
Toyota Corolla.
So used to shooting Ranexes, Toyota Corolla.
It's a E210. It's a 12th generation Toyota Corolla. This is the 1.2 version, the turbo of course, and it packs some pretty nice stuff.
Yeah, I'm pretty excited to do an in-depth review about this car. Maybe take it for a drive. The owner said it's fine. Shout out to Mr. Marco Damon. Really nice guy. Laughing at the background. So yeah guys, we are going to do a full feature on this car. And yeah, stay tuned. Let's go.
Sure.
Funhouse active, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the fast lit, yeah, hands up in the air till they gun me down, I keep it on it, they crunching the numbers, I'm bringing out, young nigga got a fetish for success, if I ain't next and I just leave impression, next to rain on the window pane, puffin' plain Jane, let them second guess me, wanna cop the Porsche with the porcelain skin, grip the wheels at the horse, why they trash another chore on my list, out of this orbit, I saw with the pen, I'm eating good, Miss Caloric as shit, I sipped the potion and poured it, I on the tide when she poured it, opportunity knock at the door, then I grin, they rush for the doors, then they open like bliss, pin stroke, game cold as the fridge, sound wave for like more than the clicks, cowabunga, search the word for my shit, ayy, wait. Been gritty, don't pity, they full thing with me, been real, fuck trending, I'm hype, I'm litty, been this since scrimmage, don't play game with me, I volley these hits like I play tennis, I drink this shit, now I live it, don't pitch you, I live here at the top of the titty, said I run this shit, how I try to with the pizza, why they flop with the vision, jaw drop when I spit it off top, little bitch, me these 7 figures, catch the fade when they chip me, bet I count it down to the penny wave, ay, heavy is all on my mind, I've gotta make that edit, wait, bet I might spark that wildfire, rebel.
Alright guys, so as I mentioned before, Marco Damon is the owner of this car. Welcome to the channel, Marco. It's really a pleasure having you here. Almost said the privilege. Yeah, just a few questions. The first thing is, why this specific car? I mean, there's so much cars you could have bought in this price range, but why this specific car?
Young guys, as you know, I'm a toy dad. From the first day my mom bought a Toyota Corolla. It was 86 model. Not the latest 86, old one, the Corolla Toyota 86. Yeah. I called it Eleanor. Most of you guys know where I got the name.
I don't know.
John Travolta was it? Nicholas Cage?
Let's go. Okay.
Gone 60 seconds.
God,
Yes,
60
yes,
seconds, yes. So yeah, that was my Eleanor, and this all my cars I gave it the name Eleanor. As you know, Toyota Corolla Owens, it's a cheap stuff. So bekostigbaarste, so ek hou my daar by die bekostigbaar omdat ek die geld het en dat so that's probably the main thing. Yeah.
Okay. And the first thing you do see is that this car is not stock. It's not like modified engine wise, but the outside, the exterior. Where does the inspiration come from? The black rims, black out badges and all of that.
Yeah, it's my first white car. My first car was the Toyota Corolla, and we did some things there. Me, Frankie, Dice, and all the guys. We like to vang 'n klomp note aan man. So yeah, it's just it's not the same like the other cars. We like to stand out really neat.
Yes.
As my net lekkerder om te voel dat jy nie soos die ander lyk op die mense nie. Jy kan uniek op wees. En ja, swart en wit weet men maar altyd vir my. Of wat lyk vir my hoe so. Dis hoekom ek dit maar gedoen het ons. Ek hou my wat so 'n bietjie my eie goeders aanvang. En so ja.
And I have to agree, guys, this car is not the ordinary Toyota. It looks very fine on the eyes. I posted a picture of this car last week on Facebook. We met up here by the post office and I just took a quick snap, and that photo really did a lot of rounds on Facebook, and the people really appreciate the look of the car. So what we'll do next, the OG will do a more in-depth review with the exterior of the car and also the interior. We also will open or pop the hood for you guys so you can see what this car is packing. It's not the fastest cars around, but it's like you mentioned before, it's nice, it's fuel efficient, economical, and that's what it's all about, guys. So stay tuned.
Okay guys, let's go for a walk around the car. Marco did a smash and grab all type of smoky on the lights. Also a blackout grille. Just to finish off that nice blackout touch in front. Marco changed the wheels to a 17-inch Lambo. He's not sure what's the name or something like that. And 17-inch here with some nice tire lettering, and the wheels has also been dipped in carbon fiber. Check out that finish.
Wow, that looks amazing, eh?
It's very nice. Up to the back. Also, yeah, check out this nice valve caps.
Small details, eh?
Yeah, very nice. Also, here's the back, the blackout badges, the lights. This car is very nice. All that is the only thing that it needs is it's to be lowered. But Marco also said that if you do the lowering kit, then his warranty is gonna fall away or something like that. I'm not entirely sure. Come on, let's go to the inside.
As you can see here, I'm a lover for that screen, guys. That's one of my favorite pieces of the car. Inside is quite nice. It's more type of bucket type of seat. Sits very nice. So yeah.
Let's start this bad boy up.
Is it a stock exhaust? Or does it have an exhaust on?
I think there's a power flow. There's a power flow exhaust, Marco mentioned earlier.
Nice and deep sound, eh?
Pop the hood.
Let's see. So what do you think?
Yo, it's very small. It's a 4-cylinder 1.2. It's not a fast car, it's a functional car.
Functional car.
Yeah.
But what type of power does this car make?
I'm not sure. Around 80 kilowatts, I think.
Okay. Maybe with the tune, stage 1,
Yeah.
push it to
Just a bit over
over 100.
Or even 100 is fine.
Yeah.
It's more around 70 kilowatts. Let me not mistaken. Marco also mentioned that this car is due for its first service, which is next month, in June or July. Let's go here. Okay, Marco is kind enough to let us take the car for a spin, so come with us.
So yeah, guys, the exhaust isn't really that loud, and it's.
I thought it was gonna be drony inside. It's not that drony. Oh, it isn't drony. It sounds very nice inside.
Yeah, it's not too loud. Yeah, this type of cars, you don't want the exhaust to be in your ears constantly.
Uncomfortable. mine. There we go. How's it driving?
It's very smooth, guys. It's like butter. Steering is quite nice.
Eat them birds, man.
No. Yeah, guys, this seat is actually very nice. Like I mentioned before,
Yeah, it's
more
very
of
nice.
a bucket seat type. So I am very impressed with this. This, guys, is obviously not a car you want to launch on. This is not for racing purposes or speed or anything like that.
This is economical. How will you say? Function.
Quite nice.
But it goes nice.
Don't get me wrong, guys. This is not
A slow
car at all. But it's not a car to go take to the strip and all.
And start ripping.
No. Quite nice. I like the sound. It's not too loud.
It has a nice deep sound.
Deep sound. Crunch. I'm actually glad Toyota brought out the car like this, because only the guys would go for the Corolla XS, because the newer cars is more for older people.
The youngsters like the high raving,
Yes,
that type of stuff.
the Corolla XS.
And the way of the future is turbochargers.
Yeah, economical but not slow. So yes,
The best of both worlds, actually.
best of both worlds, definitely. So yeah, guys, this is just like literally a drive around the block and just to feel what it feels like. And yeah, we'll do a drive-by now for the sound clip so that you guys can hear. And yeah, stay tuned. Alright guys, before I forget, I just want to mention one thing. Marco came out with his Cirrus seat, branded t-shirt, and also, as you guys know, Cirrus went through a huge dip with the losses of the people that lost their lives on the road. We just want to say to each and everyone, family members, friends, we are also with you guys. Condolences to everyone. May the brand live on, may the brand grow from strength to strength. And to Keanu, rest in power, my friend. Alright guys, so it's a Toyota day today. My little brother also came along with his Runex. Have a look, guys.
Been gritty, don't pity, they full thing with me, been real, fuck trending, I'm hype, I'm litty, been this since scrimmage, don't play game with me, I volley these hits like I play tennis, I drink this shit, now I live it, don't pitch me, I live here at the top of the titty, said I run this shit, how I try to with the pizza, why they flop with the vision, jaw drop when I spit it off top, little bitch, me these 7 figures, catch the fade when they chip me, bet I count it down to the penny wave, heavy is all on my mind, I've gotta make that end it, wait, bet I might spark that wildfire, rebel, when I breach, funhouse active, yeah, king of the palace, rubber like Malcolm.
There we go, guys. That's it for today's video, and we hope you guys enjoyed it. Shout out to everyone that's been supporting the channel, watching from all over the world, New Zealand, Australia. That was the comments on the recent video. As you guys can see, we have some caps here. Unfortunately, it's not for sale yet. It's just for us. We hope to bring it out to you guys as soon as possible. So yeah, guys, we also have the future generation daily driven in the house. So yeah, guys, stay tuned for more. Let's go. Ciao. Alright guys, so before we end up this video, I just want to send a special shout out to my little cousin Ethan Davids, all the way from Stellenbosch. It was his birthday a week ago. Happy birthday, I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, and another special thanks to Raincup Architects for sponsoring us the caps. We absolutely love it, and stay tuned for more, guys. Thank you.